It's that time. Wakey, wakey. That's gross. It's my piss jug. No, I'm just kidding. It's old antifreeze with way too much water in it. From last time, February was the last time this car was started. It survived the first Altima 600. There's some pieces of it. As you can see, got a little beat up, but it's still here. Make sure nothing's living in it. Not lying when I said pulled this thing off the car, off the trailer, and rolled it right here and left it. Has not started, has not moved. Take this cover off this way. Wow. It's actually getting me kind of excited. It's only a month away. It's currently September 3rd. So coming up on 1 month. Got the government watching me or something. Just kidding. Maybe. Anyway, I need to stick this battery in it. I need to pump up that rear tire. And then we'll see if she's gonna come to life. Actually, the other thing I need to do, I need to find that hood pin that just fell. But I was gonna check the intake to make sure we don't have any critters. Oh, I forgot I don't have a hood prop. Such a janky car. Let's see. Seems to be not inhabited at the moment. We got our exhaust back there. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Yes, the stock Nissan Altima hood prop. It's a wonderful sound. Stock location, by the way. Alright. Any spiders? Any Mickey Mouse? Chuck E. Cheese? Nope. Looks good, actually. I have not even checked this filter since I raced, so clean side. Oh, yeah. Oh, I mean, not terrible. A few bugs. A little bit of asphalt. Good to go for another round. Sorry, I'm one-handed here. Ugh, there we go. Put all that back in. See if that'll go back together. Yep. Oh, yep, there was a spider. Alright. That's good. Make sure there's still oil in it. There is some oil in it. Oh, it's up there. Hey, yeah, we're good, we're good. Alright. There's that. We will stick this battery in there, and I will for sure get a first start, cold start, old start, cold start. That used to work. Oh, there it goes. All right, we got life. Now I gotta climb in here, and it stinks. All right. Well, really, I don't need to because I do this. Throw it right there. All right. Everything's on. First start since February. Oh. Oh my gosh. I don't see any mice. There's water in it. Dang. Alright, I gotta fill that tire up. Really? Not bad at all. It doesn't sound bad either. I'm almost ashamed to say that. But I need to fill that back tire. I'll check the rest of them. There it is. I need power, so here's my mobile power unit. The 850. Four-wheel. Not a single PSI. Not even one. This guy could use some. It's got a weed growing in it, just like the rest of the car. This one, I think it just sunk in a little. And this one, same. Alright, I think they're good to pull out. I just got to get this one up to 35. Already at 10, that's pretty good. Make sure there's no lights on flashing at me, low oil pressure. Nope, all looks good. Heating up good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're getting there. Getting ready. October 11th, back in Florida. Round 2 for this car. It's not me driving this time, it's my friend.
Oh, it stinks. Smell like the CRV? Worse.
Not overheating. It's running really good. Sorry about all the stupid noises, but they are required. She loves it.